Good morning, Mihira. Just a quick handover for Mrs. Eleanor Vance in bed 4. She presented yesterday with what initially seemed like a straightforward case of contact dermatitis on her hands, quite inflamed with some weeping. However, overnight, she developed a rather extensive pruritic rash spreading across her trunk and upper limbs. She mentioned using a new brand of hand sanitizer just prior to the initial flare-up, but also recalled a similar, though less severe, episode a few months ago after using a different moisturizer. She denies any new food intake or recent travel. Her temperature is stable, and her vitals are within normal limits. We've applied some emollient and a mild topical corticosteroid cream to the affected areas for now. Keep a close eye on the extent and severity of the rash, and particularly note any signs of systemic involvement, like breathlessness or facial swelling, although that seems unlikely at this stage.
Right, Mrs. Vance in bed 4. So, the initial hand issue might be separate from this more widespread rash then? It sounds like we need to be alert to potential allergic reactions rather than just a localized irritant.
Precisely. The temporal relationship with the hand sanitizer is suggestive, but the subsequent widespread eruption and the previous similar incident point toward a possible underlying sensitivity to a common excipient in skincare products. Mihira, for now, continue with the current topical treatment and ensure she's comfortable. Let me know immediately if there are any significant changes or if the itching becomes unmanageable despite the emollient. Mihira, I want to explain what might happen after getting a flu vaccine. Most people only have mild and short-lived effects, which usually go away in a day or two. You might feel a little warm or have a slight temperature. Your arm where you got the injection could feel sore, red, or a bit swollen. Some people feel a little tired or get a mild headache. These are all normal signs that your body is building protection. Even though these effects are usually mild, it's important to pay attention to how you feel. If you start feeling worse than expected, like having a high fever that doesn't go away, swelling that gets bigger, or anything else that worries you, it's best to make an appointment with your GP. They can check that everything is okay and give advice if needed. Most of the time, these reactions are short and mild, but seeing your doctor is the safest choice if you feel unwell.